Hi, this is Michael, real estate professional, and I would like to show you the apartments today which you probably buy or rent if you have an unlimited budget. Do you think that this view is good enough for you? Because I want to show you today from one of our top levels. That's the 4-bedroom luxury penthouse, 3,500 square feet, occupying half of the floor. We are right now at the address Fountain Views in a Sky Collection apartment in one of the top levels. The address is a hotel operator created here in Dubai. It is at the niche of the high-end luxury hotels such as Marriott, Sofitel, Waldorf Astoria, and etc. But here in Dubai, Address offers you fully furnished, fully serviced apartments with all 5-star luxury hotel services. Have a look at this beautiful marble and the carpet made of the finest New Zealand wool. You can enjoy 5-star luxury facilities here: swimming pool, gym, and definitely spa. The address Fountain Views has got the pedestrian air conditioning link to Dubai Mall. And also you can take your car and use this link and get the access to Dubai Mall parking. The address is the hotel operator created here in Dubai, and most of the hotels are located in downtown. This one, Address Downtown, is just right next to the fountains. We have the Burj Khalifa, then Address Dubai Mall and Address Boulevard. And we are right now at the address Fountain Views.